Hello, this is log 9 of the game that I'm currently making. So I have a lot to cover for this log, so please bear with me. Um, First things first, I have a game menu set up. As you can see, it's still under development. I had just recently finished making the HUD for the menu on GIMP, but I'll show it upon the next log. As of right now, when I press play, I'll be redirected to the pink level that I have improved. It's gonna be super bright, just a warning. But before I press play, um, I also decided to make lore for the game. In the lore, there's a bright pink sun that is cooler than that of Earth's sun, but also brighter. So for planets to emerge life, they need to be closer to the sun, but if they're too close, it'll be too bright to see anything, which is where our pink level takes place. Now, I'm gonna press play. So the this is the pink level. There's some shadowing problems, but it's it's getting there. Um, the planet's name is Utsi. It's just a random name I put together. But on the planet, the sun is too bright. Uh, but the buildings emit a pinkish purple shadow alongside being black. Uh, the shadow disappears at times, but it will appear again eventually. Oh, there it is. And you can see it has like a pink outline that's supposed to indicate that the sun's brightness is pink, basically. Um, Again, I'm sorry for the level being too bright. That's just the point of the level. However, I have two more levels coming up. One will be in space near a giant satellite, and the other will be a storage facility. And I forgot to mention in the lore, green light is largely used upon the space entities. In case one of them gets lost and tries to get their way back to society, green light is like a safe beacon for them. And the light, basically, green light is brighter than white light. Um, because of the pink sun. So like if a person uses regular white light to shine in space, you won't be seen as well because of the pink sun. But green light can be seen, it can be more visible from afar. Now I'm gonna get away from the pink level. Um, I improved something on the ship that I want to show you. So I replaced the shoot button with a radar that detects where the enemies are. The button, as you can see, is still pressable and it still shoots. It kind of has some type of realism into it because if you imagine yourself in a ship or any other vehicle that has a radar, because your eyes are on the radar, uh, when your eyes are on the radar, you won't shoot because you don't see what's in front of you. Your eyes are on the radar, so you use it to see where the enemies are. Um, you basically And when your eyes are off the radar, you'd obviously want to shoot, so you'd ignore the radar and keep shooting. Now it's possible to just move your finger up and still pressing, but it's still a cool feature to have. There are loopholes around it, but I would leave the loopholes to the players because not many people aim for realism. Uh, but it's a cool small mechanic to have around, and it's not taking that much space. And lastly, we have the blue ship and its new movement mechanic. The blue ship tries to get near the player, while and once it does, uh, it basically reaches a location near the player, and once it does, it starts to burst bullets at the player and moves to a random fixed location independent of the player. So, as you can see on the radar, when I get near those guys, they start shooting at me, but they don't chase me anymore. And once they stop shooting at me, they start chasing me again. like this guy. And um, the way this ship can be destroyed is by shooting at it from long range, then quickly avoiding it. So if I shoot like that, I hit it. It has some, its hit animation is not that well made, which I'm sorry about, but I'll fix later on. But that's the only way I can destroy it. There, I just destroyed it, and it starts to fall down, as before. When they're shooting at the player, it's kind of almost impossible to hit them. Well, I'm hitting them, but it's made so it can be impossible. Now they're not facing the player, like I can just go around them. That's for debugging reasons. But aside of that, it would be always facing the player. Um, and also, I'm just planning to optimize the pink level as it's very performance costly. I've hired a 3D modeler to add some buildings for me to speed up my process, and I'm also planning on making the bullets more emissive uh, with different colors and special effects and sounds too. That way they can actually be seen, because in the pink level, when I shot the white bullets, they were super hard to see. Um, but yeah, I hope you guys you enjoyed this log and stick around to see how this game turns out. Thank you.